Hey everyone, and welcome back. On today's topic is DJI Mic Mini, and I think it's a perfect microphone for those content creators who are just starting and they don't have a budget for very expensive gear and want to have a professional grade audio. So, no further ado, let's get into that. Okay, let's see what's inside of the package. This package is very small because I bought with only one microphone. You can buy it with two microphones and with a charging box. But I chose to buy this and keep it as low budget as I can. Inside, you're gonna get two microphone fluffies, a charging dock for microphone, some charging cables to charge receiver, the actual receiver, the cable to connect to other cameras which don't have Bluetooth or something, a connector, USB-C connector to connect it directly to iPhones or other gadgets who have USB-C. And I think that's it, and the actual bag. Now let's talk design. The DJI Mic Mini is incredibly compact and making it super easy to clip on your shirt without being intrusive. It features magnetic mounting, which is a game changer for quick and discreet setups. The biggest strength and the biggest flaw of this mic, it is its size. It is very small and compact. It is very discreet. You can mount it in different ways. Sorry for hissing. You can mount it under your shirt with a magnetic mount, or just clip it on your t-shirt like this. The second very easy feature is one-tap pairing. You just press the pairing button on transceiver and receiver, and that's it. It is paired. The third very good feature is that it has Bluetooth, and you can connect to DJI cameras this microphone directly without receiver, and it makes the whole setup even more compact. In previous episode I showed you it can work in very big distances. Look, I'm about 120 meters away from my camera, and DJI Mic Mini can handle it. I don't think that you will ever need those 250 meters of distance between your camera and you when you're talking, but I think it's quite nice to have. Now I think we have to test how it sounds, what's the audio quality, and how it sounds when you're using the internal camera microphone. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, and I think DJI Mic Mini has a very good, I would say professional grade audio. Let's turn this microphone off. And now I'm talking directly to the camera with camera internal microphone. How do you think that it sounds? I think sounds better with DJI Mic Mini. And again, I will brag around its size, but it's not microphone size, but receiver size. It's quite small. It's not really quite small, it's very small. It has cold shoe mount, and you can fix it on your camera. You can clip it somewhere and you won't feel its weight. When you're carrying the camera in your hands, you always want to have less weight, because you don't want to have fatigue in your hands when you're running around with the camera. And when you're clipping receiver to your phone, iPhone or any other phone. The weight is everything. It's so portable, it doesn't take much space, and you can carry this bag everywhere, and you can take camera, your phone, throw it into the bag, and that's it. You can travel, you can film on the go and have a professional grade audio. Another very good feature and quite impressive feature is that in full charge it can work for 5 hours, and if you bought this microphone with a charging case, it can extend to 15 hours. I think it's quite impressive regarding its size. What's the cons about this microphone? The biggest con is that it doesn't have internal recording for backup, what you can get with a bigger DJI microphone brothers. The second con, limited customization. On receiver you have sound adjustment. You can connect it to the DJI Mimo app. Can have some customization for setting up a microphone for your needs, but it's not very wide and doesn't do much for this microphone. I think it's this mic is more like run and gun. Just turn it on, adjust your volume on the receiver, and that's it. If you want the noise cancellation, you have to just hold the power button, and that's it for longer, and you will get the noise cancellation. But I don't use noise cancellation because it makes your voice sound more digitally, if you know what I mean. And I think maybe it's all the cons. Maybe, except it's the biggest feature, its size, because it can be easily lost or swallowed by your home animal. Overall, the DJI Mic Mini is an incredible wireless little microphone for getting that professional audio quality for your videos. I think it's very good choice for YouTubers, vloggers, content creators or Instagrammers for stories, because of its size, portability and price. So what do you think? And if you have any comments, please leave the comment below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you on the next episode.